Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Beko washing machine. To perform a hard reset on a Beko washing machine, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to ensure that the washing machine is turned off by pressing the power button or unplugging it from the power outlet. After that, you have to leave the washing machine powered off for about 1 to 2 minutes. Beko washing machines may have different reset procedure depending on the model. For a machine with electronic control, the reset procedure typically involves pressing and holding down specific buttons or a combination of buttons. Common buttons include start, pause and cancel stop buttons. For reset, you have to press and hold the start pause button and the cancel stop button simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. Release the button when the machine display panel light up or resets. For model with mechanical control, you may need to turn the dial to a specific position like reset or off and then back to the desired cycle setting. After performing the reset procedure, plug the washing machine back into the power outlet or turn it back on using the power button. Once the washing machine is powered on, test the washing machine by running a short cycle to ensure that it's functioning properly. Hopefully this video will help you to reset your Beko washing machine. Thanks for watching.